To change the battery, you have to open the door, release the battery block, and disconnect the connector. It can be removed by another truck or a pallet truck system with a mast. As you can see, the battery has the elements mounted in a staggered way. In this way, an insertion area for the forks has been obtained for the extraction of the battery, and its dimensions have been kept more compact in the external areas. The operation is performed in just a few seconds, and even one technician is sufficient. All this will make it possible for those who will buy the new A160-200 at 1200X to be very efficient in changing and replacing the battery. Once the battery is reinserted, the lock must be engaged again. The connector has to be replaced, and the door has to be closed again. The battery can also be recharged inside the machine itself.